slag.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm on now. It wasn't going on.
Is that with the double?
It is with the double.
I'm pretty sure everything in this garage gives me cancer. They tried to steal the idea from me, but here's some behind the scenes footage. We've been working on a new suspension system for our Mark III race car. As you can see, we've gone for the upside down suspension. Rod, brackets, and then when obviously the lower arms are in, hubs are in, connect the ends up, put the drop links in, then I can put the wheels on and it'll steer. It is too fucking small for the old. Fucking put your tongue in it. So I bought this like kit of washers because it's supposed to have sort of what I'm after, but it doesn't. Look at that, get in there, you fucking whore. So like, that's got the fucking edge I need, but it's about half a mil too small to get on the fucking...
Drill a hole, drill it bigger there.
Yeah, but that requires getting up. Who are you? That's one of the fucking ones for me. You ain't no fucking good for me.
Hello. Ow!
What a fucking... Lots of complete box scores. Nah. Still get another car. Genuinely don't think my coilovers came with any fucking top nuts, you know.
Really?
Yeah. I don't get paid.
Who are you? Japanese Justin Timberlake?
Korean.
Fast and Furious? What?
Korean.
It's the same thing. They've both got silly accents. What's he saying?
No, the difference between Korean and Japanese is I don't understand Korean. No, do not get me arsehole dirty.
Ah, catch your butthole dirty.
Just kidding. My arsehole's always dirty.
What? That's Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, I know. They actually have different numbers. So one set's for the front of the front arms and one set's for the rear of the rear arms.
Oh, right, okay.
So,
Yeah, makes sense.
but I don't remember which one it is. That I'm about to launch this onto the floor. Well, that's good, isn't it? Right. So, for example, that goes there because that fits in that bracket, and then the smaller one goes on the other end because it'll fit in there. Which is all good.
Professional help. Good effort. Do you want a hammer?
I am a hammer. You'd think it'd go on the fucking nut side, wouldn't you? Like that.
Yeah, I would have said so.
It probably does. And then I think that goes, to be more precise. Should have ground the fucking stickers off because they're actually getting in the way. Who knew it was so tight? Thing is, as well, I'm going to have to take them out to fucking grease them anyway.
Why don't you just grease them before you put them in?
Why would I do that? I'm going to put them in then grease them.
You idiot. You idiot.
I'm actually so pleased that they're long enough to be for this time to be able to put the nut on.
Yeah, that's fucking... Didn't have a good time last time.
Alright, get hammer, grease, and... So...
Grease a bolt up before you put it in there.
I don't have a bolt.
Fucking come on, man! Wait, come on, come me! That's a lot of dolphin noises.
No, it's not.
No, you're right, it's not. Fuck them.
So I think it goes that. I think it goes that way. ABS sensor down there. Yeah, I'm sure it does, but I'll check the diagram before securing it properly.
It must be, because that goes there 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 like that.
Oh yeah, because you can wait. Yeah.
For the steering rack.
Good shout.
Good fucking shit.
Now the problem is the fucking top arm is like wedged. To go down though, doesn't she? What's stopping her going up? Can you see anything catching?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, my finger just found it out. Why does this thing have to get in the way at every turn?
Can I say something really stupid?
Yeah.
Is there a right and a wrong side? Is there a right and a left? What's that say? What's that? Oh, it's just this.
It's a 2.
Oh, right.
Right.
That's the left side.
It is the left side.
Why are you putting it on the right side then?
I thought it was the right left.
I thought it was the right left. Bruh. I'll just slide on.
Yeah.
Fucking gangster.
Is it
There you go.
I don't know. I'm so fucking done. Like, you just wanted to fucking tease me.
Tears me.
Now, where's my special nut? Let's just pop that on so it don't slide off.
Good shout, good shout, good shout.
And then off of the. Yep.
Where's your greased nut bolt? Is this it?
Hang on. That needs to not foul that. Yeah, fucking hell.
What's happening now? There you go. There you go, mate.
Right, bolt for the shock first.
Ha!
Oh, you're alright.
Yep. Here you go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yes!
The problem is that there's these.
That's the nut for that, you donkey.
You're the nut. These top ones, these top ball joints are painted.
Right.
Powder coat, shall I say?
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Got steering knob.
I can't connect this up because I've not bolted the rack in.
Oh.
I think I've got the bolts in the tub, so I can look at that afterwards. But
Yep, have a mini wink on.
Yes, I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it.
and I'm gonna love it because obviously when it's together, I'm gonna get some degreaser and wipes. I'm just gonna clean down the stuff that's been touched and that. And obviously when it's done, it'll have a grommet here, and it'll just run that fucking pink line, Goodrich line, all the way to the. I think I'm gonna end up getting the Brembo SL 550 calipers. Yeah.
Get
They're
a
a bit plain.
BBK, mate.
Because they're like these plain factory standard Brembos for these old Mercs, they're SLs. I think it's SL 550. Sure it is.
Probably.
I think they're doing for the. Because I don't know Mercs, but I think I remember reading that it was either you can do it off the 500s and the 550s.
One of them.
I'm wrong. And they're Brembos, but they're just like these horrible looking bricks. But they're Brembos,
Yeah,
and they're a lot better than the factory brakes because these are notoriously shit.
I was going to say, anything's better than standard anyway.
Well, the old calipers were completely fucked. Can't get the piston out or anything. So I've had to leave them with my old man so that when they're next doing the calipers on a car, he's going to hook mine up to their hose quickly and just pump the piston out. Because otherwise they're just, like they've had it on the press and everything and it just won't budge.
It's got that.
Yeah.
steering rack half in, half out,
Half Wits.
half Wits. Front roll out fuck. Front anti-roll bar is on. Sort of. Prematurely.
Next in the tub, mate.
You're a tub.
Yeah, thanks. It's called fucking being fat cunt.
Oh my god. That is. Oh my god, who is that? It's Brad, because I've wind him up in a group chat. I'll just put 3 of these on and I'll buzz them on. You know what I'm saying?
Brad, get a GS before your rod goes through the bonnet. Beautiful.
Yes. Look at that tracking.
Hang on a second. Oh my god! Well...
It's a little bit out. A little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. No, that baby girl, just a little bit.
Jesus Christ. You got to ride off into the sunset. I'll do the magic like... you better fucking go to your fucking car, I'll kick your dick!
You won't. You won't do it. You won't fucking do it. You won't fucking do it. You won't do it. You won't do it.
Oi, fam, is that the sick Vectra? Do a wheelie? Fuck.